goes on. Well, it's rust converter in it. Until you break the paint, you don't realise how much there is up there. Right, that's the rust ground out and rust treated, which is a rust barrier, and it just turns the rust into something else. I don't know what they call it, but that's all done now. And I've just put some primer on there, and then I put a little bit of wheel silver because that acts as a good base for the Nimbus Grey, which that is what that is. Right, they're filled. Helicopter. They're filled, and the Kevlar's on. Rusted, gone. Well, it's still there really, but it's been converted and slightly filled, rubbed down, and I put Kevlar lookalike vinyl wrap on there. It's basically the same as Kevlar, but this is just ordinary black. I'll put that down the side of there to finish that off. I kept with the black theme, black and silver. I'd like to have put a yellow band around it, but so is all I got to do now is wait for it to rain as it washes all the washing up liquid off it. No, I'll clean the windscreen now. I do like to keep the windscreen nice and clean. There, this side's done as well. Put a small piece down there, same as what I have on the other side. Oh, there you go. That's what it looks like from there. So you see the before and the after pictures. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. Only thing is, like, a bloody wind was against me, and the rain, as you can see. It's still quite although we've just had a slight drizzle, we haven't had rain as such. But anyway, that's now on there. Chuffed with that. Windscreen's cleaned. Got to clear off it now. That's up there, done. That's done, cleaned. I've still got bird shit on the bonnet and on the bumper. We got bloody plagued with seagulls at the moment. There, that's done. Call it a day. I'm off. That's a picture of it from a distance. I think it stands out quite well.